Hey everyone, and welcome to a really quick video. Um, I've just had a move around with all my kit, and I'm just setting it all up. I've gone back onto the PlayStation. I've gone on to Gran Turismo 7, and the PlayStation itself was playing up. It was like it wasn't going online. Then it did, and I was hardwired as well on the internet. I went on to Gran Turismo and it basically tried to load up and it was saying about it can't use a DNS server because it wasn't running fast enough or it wouldn't respond. I've now gone on to wireless, Wi-Fi, I should say. Still getting the same speeds, still saying that I'm online, I'm connected. And as you can see, I've got all the world map and everything else that is there. Because when I first went on here, it was actually came up as offline mode, which I didn't know was a thing. Anyway, so going into License Center just because I can. Going to normal because I'm still trying to do these. Bear with me. Pick a license, any license. Everything looks okay. Go to start. Anybody else had this? Hey, can anybody else tell me that they've had this? What the hell is going on? I am driving, as you can see. You look at the map. Yeah. Let me get the track map. Yeah, in the middle. Where it's there you go. Right. See, it's moving. I'm moving. I'm driving. My speed has gone down. What the hell is going on? Why haven't I got? And it's like that on every license. Literally every license. What the hell is going on? What have I done wrong? All I did, okay, so let's go to sport. No, see, that's happy to do that. Go online. Still got that one. Still on the favorite. No, I am so not using that car. Change me car. Get to me on faithful. Let's do a quick quali. Is that me or is there's no background? What the Seriously, everybody, what is going on? I don't understand what's going on. Go to display, display all, display, image settings, exposure. I haven't got any of that to change. I've got. What the hell is going on? So I'm online. I'm online, but there's nothing. What about random racing? Oh, hello. We got new weekly challenges or something? We do. Right, I'm literally just going to jump into a random race. No, I've got no background. I've got nothing. Okay, I'm going to come off this. I'm actually going to go on Google and see what people out there are saying. But I'm literally going to post this now. I don't understand what's going on. So, yeah, it'd be nice if somebody could put a comment or do something, say something. Or is this literally my, Gran Turismo saying, take the hint, guy, you're crap, stay away. Anyway, please, 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 anybody's watching this, answer it. Let me know if you've had this issue, and if you did, what did you do to fix it? Cheers, everyone.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting, and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, panic over. Went on to Google, and I found a video on YouTube which works at everything. I'm going to see if I can quickly go through it for those of you that are interested, but I am also going to leave the link to the actual video in the description below, so check it out if you're having the same issues. So go to settings, go to network, go to hold on, settings, setup, go to that one, press advanced, and then down here where you've got primary and secondary, you click on them and then you add them. And the guy gave you 2 codes, but then he did a couple of other codes as well. There are some people saying that these codes aren't working for them. They've worked for me, okay? And it is literally 8.8.8.8 for the first one, and the second one is 8.8.4.4. It's that simple. Click OK, and then you're in, you're up, you're done. It's, you know, and this will make you laugh. So I am with a company called Tube. They are brilliant, direct fiber to the house. Check this out. Check the speeds out. 800 MBS on a PlayStation. Admittedly, the upload is absolutely shocking, but that's PlayStation, not Tube. Tube promise you 900 MBS. So yeah, if you're able to get it, if you're in the area for Tube, TOOB, do it. Honestly, 25 quid a month. I have never been so happy with them. So yeah, 800 MBS, awesome. So anyways, so go back into, everything's flashing, everything's working now. Yeah, go into Gran Turismo, and let it boot up. Straight away, back into License Center. I should have realized what was missing when I went in. So the background, go into that one again. You've actually got an image in the background. See, that everything's there. It's all working. And it's the same on everything. So not only did I fix the DNS problem, or this guy fixed the DNS problem on my PlayStation, that then fixed my issue with with the Gran Turismo. So yeah, absolutely chuffed to bits with that, and it was really quick, really quick, very, very easy. Let me just grab his name. The guy is called Chad Reddings. He actually posted this 8 months ago. So yeah, go onto YouTube and check out Chad Reddings, Reddings. Again, I will put a link to this video in the description. So yeah, problem solved. Well happy with that. Thank God. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. Let me know, like I said, let me know if you've had this problem. Let me know if you managed to get it fixed, and let me know if this second half of the video has helped. Cheers for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye everyone.